have uneven threshing on Unit 2. Adjust the fan speed.
Copy. Adjusting now.
Testing. Did you log the reading on the overflow indicator?
Yes, tablet shows green. Let's move to the next station.
Flow rate is stable at 20 liters per minute.
Matches the target range. Phospholipid separation looks efficient.
Temperature holding steady at 95 Celsius.
Pressure is steady at 50.
Flow rate looks good. Keep monitoring the pH.
In the bleaching section, we remove color pigments and oxidation products. The oil is mixed with activated clay before filtration.
We're well within the 240 to 270 range.
And the vacuum ejector is pulling strong. The oil is looking clean. The crystal formation looks consistent through the viewport. Good. Let's monitor the differential pressure on the rotary filter.
Here at the capping station, the turret spins in perfect synchronization, applying precise torque to each cap and sealing the tamper-evident rings.
Location B4, sunflower oil, quantity 12. Confirmed.
Make sure those sunflower pallets go into Bay 3 next.
Confirmed. Scanning the manifest now.
Stage completed order, lane 4. Next, inbound dock pallet scan.
Confirmed. On my way.